Hi guys, welcome to LSSL 5380, the Master Seminar that's being held both Summer 1 and Summer 2 sessions in 2014. I'm Terry Lassane, I'm the professor for the class. I think I know most of you, at least I hope I do. And I thought what I'd do is take just a little bit of time today to walk you through the syllabus, and discuss what's in here, and then hopefully you can kind of take off and start work on your own. As you know, I won't go through all of the syllabus because some of it is here because of requirements, and the rest of it is here, though, to help you be successful in the class. So here we are on the first page of the syllabus. My contact information is right here. My last name is Lassane, rhymes with insane, and my offices are in AB4 on campus. You can reach me via the office number. That takes you to one of our student assistants, or Rebecca. That's 294-1151. You can fax me at the office, 294-1153, or you can leave me a voicemail at 294-3673. Whenever you leave a voicemail, I get an email notice of it, so it is something that pops right into my mailbox, and I am aware that I have a voicemail at the office, even though I may not be here. The two best email addresses to reach me are right here on the syllabus: lis_tsl@shsu.edu, and I think a slightly easier one there, Dr. L at shsu.edu as well. You can send to one, to both. I do check my office email several times a day when that is possible. And when it's not possible, I generally let you know in advance. My office hours this summer, I believe, will be Mondays from 8 to 2, but you can arrange other times just by making an appointment with me. I'm always happy to meet with you face to face or to schedule a time for a phone call. The course description is a fairly short one here. The 5380 class is a master seminar. And a seminar allows you to do an in-depth study on a topic. This summer I'm offering you the choice of 4 topics. You may elect to do a seminar in nonfiction, or you can do one in the changing landscape of literature and literacy. You can do a seminar in apps and other technologies, or you can do a current trends in youth literature seminar. Several people had requested that I offer that as part of the seminar, and it's here. You will select one of these 4 topics, not all 4. As you go through the syllabus, come on to page 2. You'll see these are bits and pieces of information that have to be here from the university. So I'm going to scroll down until we get to the meat, which is right here starting on page 3. Page 3 tells you what the requirements are for the course. The first thing you need to do is select a topic that you wish to study. Once you've selected that topic, then you do the assignments underneath that topic only. So for nonfiction, if that's what you want to study this summer, you look just at this. So you would do an annotated bibliography, a presentation, and a final essay. The same is true for the other topics that are here. The changing landscape of literature and literacy asks for you to view a video and write a reflective essay, asks you to do an annotated bibliography, and to do a short presentation. You're going to see that these are similar in terms of what is being required by the students. So there's no one that I think is easier than anything else. They're just different kinds of approaches. If you decide to do the new technologies, you'll have basically an annotated bibliography on the apps that you're going to use for the class. Then you'll do a presentation, that's the sharing of the apps, and finally a reflective essay. And the final option here, the current trends in youth literature, you'll only have 2 assignments, but they're a little bit bigger than the others. The first is to do a reading blog, and the second is to write a reflective essay in which you talk a little bit about your reading. So those are the highlights from the syllabus. Those are the topics that you may select to use. There are lots and lots and lots of other things in this syllabus. Again, these are university requirements. I do expect you to read through these to understand what the requirements and the policies are, but if you just want to learn about what you need to do, you need to take a look at that. The final thing here in the syllabus that's important is how do you get your A. You get your A by scoring 270 out of 300 points. Each of those 4 topics carries with it a 300-point maximum value. So to get an A, you score 90% of those, 270 or above. A B is 80% or above. And basically to fail the course, you basically don't do half of the assignments or a third of the assignments that are due. So I hope that that helps you out a little bit as you're looking at things that you need to kind of pay attention to. The other thing that I want to share with you today has to do with the live binder for the course. So let me take you out to the live binder. It's called LSSL 5380 Summer 2014. You click on it, you'll be asked to give a key in order to get into this because it is a private folder. The key for the live binder is LSSL 5380. Tried to make that very easy for you to remember. I'm recording the introduction right now, and when I'm done, it'll go here under this particular tab. The syllabus is here. I just went over it with you, but here it is for you to be able to access it. And the other thing I did was to give you the due dates for each of the 4 options. So if you select the nonfiction option, there are the due dates for the assignments. If you choose Changing Landscape of Literature and Literacy, there are your due dates. If you select the apps option, those are your due dates. The same is true with the current trends option. These are due dates for summer 1 and for summer 2, because I don't know which semester you might elect to take this particular course. But everything you need to know is here. I'm posting it out at Live Binders because Live Binders will be made available to you in the next week. Blackboard will not. Blackboard will not be made available to you till it's much closer to the beginning of the semester, summer 1 or summer 2, depending on when you're taking the course. So I'm putting everything up here now in hopes that you'll be able to access it. I know that some of you will want to get a head start on things, and I think that's always a good idea. If you have any questions whatsoever, please be in touch with me. Remember that there are lots of different ways to get in touch with me. You can email me, and I'm scanning up now through the syllabus to show you. My 2 email addresses are right here. You can also call and leave me a voicemail. You can drop me a note. You can basically get in touch with me lots of different ways. So if you have a question about an assignment, you're not quite sure what to do, please feel free to get in touch with me. I'll try to put as much information as I can up at Live Binders to help you be successful in the course. Thanks so much. Welcome to class. I hope you enjoy it.